Hello everyone, it's me again, Donna from Online English TV. In today's video, we will learn another set of phrasal verbs with catch. You will learn the meanings and know how to use them in sentences. But before we start, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I would appreciate it too if you hit the like button and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's start with the first phrasal verb, catch on.
It'll never catch on.
It's catching on.
It means to become popular. And here's how you're going to use it in a sentence. This fashion design catches on quickly. Another example. I don't think this song will catch on. Phrasal verb number 2, catch up. There are many ways on how to use catch up. Number 1. When you catch up with someone, it means to talk with someone that you know, especially if you haven't seen that person for a while, and exchange information and news.
Sit down, CB. Let's catch up.
Now here's how you're going to use it in a sentence. It's been years since I saw Carla, so we arranged to meet at the coffee shop to catch up. Another meaning is to reach someone in front of you by going faster.
Catch up.
I'll catch up.
Example sentence. They're miles away. It is impossible to catch up. It means they are so far to catch up. Another example is, she runs really fast. I couldn't catch up with her. And you can also use this phrase if you do something that you didn't have time to do earlier.
Catch up.
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, here's an example sentence. I missed a lot of classes. I need to catch up. You might need to borrow some notes from your friends to catch up with the lessons. Another meaning of catch up is to find out the most recent news and information. Okay, here's how you're going to use it. I don't have time to catch up with the latest news. Or another sentence is, she's a real movie buff. She makes sure to catch up with new movies. The last but not least is catch out. What does it mean? To expose one's wrongdoings or deceptions, or to show someone has made a mistake or someone is not telling the truth by asking them questions. Example sentences. The investigator is trained to catch people out by asking tricky questions. Another meaning of catch out is to put someone in a difficult situation or an unpleasant situation that they're not prepared for. In other words, they didn't see it coming.
Oh, Robert, don't catch me out.
And here's how you're going to use it in a sentence. I was caught out by her tricky questions. And that would be all for today. Once again, there are 3 phrasal verbs that you have learned in this video. Catch on, catch up, and catch out. Until then, thanks a lot for watching my videos. See you again next time. Bye!